Skyscrapers face extreme winds every day. How do these buildings stay stable in storms? Engineers design buildings to withstand high winds. Understanding wind patterns is crucial for stability. Load calculations determine the building's strength. Stronger materials enhance the building's resilience. Tuned mass dampers counteract swaying during winds. These tall buildings thrive even in harsh conditions. Safety of occupants is always the top priority. Storms remind us of nature's incredible power. Continuous improvements ensure future skyscraper safety. Skyscrapers shape our communities and lifestyles. The future of skyscrapers is bright and resilient. Built to last, these structures stand tall against wind, engineering marvels that inspire and endure.